Looking to make money taking surveys? Online surveys offer a convenient way to earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals faster. Explore top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site boasts unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider factors like reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, leveraging free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Adopt best practices including creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and securing your device with antivirus software. Be cautious of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees or requests for sensitive information. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate endeavors, typically taking just 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or bonus points upon participation. Companies value your insights and pay individuals to gather essential market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start earning today by participating in online surveys.